stopped at the moment getting checked. So basically we just got pulled over.
Hello.
Hello.
It's beautiful weather and they've got a jumper on.
It's one drink in Wetherspoons.
Morning, you won't be able to see us because it's dark in the cab. But we've just left Honfleur and heading for Calais. It's early in the morning, hence the darkness. But we're just going over that Normandy Bridge.
Get behind the wheel again. I gotta see your face. I miss you, I miss you. Got a long way left, but I'm gonna make it there tonight. Got my songs on the stereo. It's been a long time coming, but I know we're gonna be alright. Got an open road. I'm heading home.
Right, good morning, you can see us now. Just. Right, we're just heading for the tunnel and we should be there around 9:40. Check-in closes about 10:15. And what time's the train?
50.
11:50.
I think so, yeah.
Right, and then about 35 minutes on the train. We're back in the UK. Stopped at the moment getting checked by the sniffer dog.
Yeah.
I'll show you through the window.
Coming round again.
You can see him through the window. I think they're doing higher security because their security level's gone up, which is really good to see.
It's not that high because obviously loads of cars are going through, so...
Oh yeah, they've still got to do the random checks. They're happy with us anyway.
Yeah.
We can move on. So basically we just got pulled over as we came through, didn't we?
Yeah, no dramas though.
And just asked to be checked really. There was 3 of us there, I think we were the first ones through, so it's like random.
Yeah, just random stops.
But
But
every other one,
at least I know I've got no one hanging on to the underside of the motorhome.
Yeah.
So that's a good thing.
Yeah. We had squeaky suspension earlier. At least we know it's not a person under there now.
Yeah. Mr. Squeak.
But we're just waiting now to go through. As long as we don't get any more problems, we'll catch you
On the other side.
on the other side. Jeez, you can tell we're back in the UK.
Yes, tell me about it. These roads are absolutely shocking.
It's like motorhomes like bouncing around all over the place here. We've only just got off the tunnel. Jeez. It's awful. It's actually embarrassing for people that come from the continent and come over, and this is what they experience as soon as they get off the tunnel after being on them lovely roads.
Yeah.
It's quite embarrassing for the UK, I would say.
There's a massive difference.
Yeah.
Massive difference.
Anyway, that's my rant over.
It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, moving on. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on. We got it going, staying strong. It looks like we.
In here, I think. Moved over road, park and light. That's cars. So let's just go down. It is this. I checked it on Google Maps first. Have a little look.
There's no entry in that's the bus bit.
In there.
New Dover Lane. No caravans or big trucks. Yeah, motorhomes this side.
This side.
Yeah. Oh, I can see a familiar van over there.
You've got to pay.
I can see a familiar van over there.
Mm.
You just get a ticket, I think, darling.
Yeah, I think so.
Did you actually just hit your wing mirror? Yeah. Did you actually just bash your wing mirror?
Yeah. After all that.
I wish I was filming you at the time. It's open. I've been doing the tours all the time saying watch your wing mirror. As soon as it goes on his side at road, and what do you do?
Clipped it very, very slightly.
We're not going to be able to get in there, are you, next to him, because there's that one. Just park in between them two there, I would.
Yeah, 'cause there's loads of room, isn't there? So we need to reverse it, anyway.
Want me to get out? Make sure you don't bang anything else.
Oh.
Sorry, he can't talk back to me. He's got a ticket in his gob. Give me a ticket. What's going on here? It does say motorhomes on this, so it's very accommodating. Plenty of motorhomes here. Want me to check, or are you okay? You've got your reversing camera. That says you want it. Job's a good un.
Job's a good one. But no, what was I clipped? Very, very slightly clipped my mirror. I'm so used to looking at that side, but that sign weren't on very, very well when it just fell off. So poor maintenance.
You knocked the sign off. Did you know that? I didn't know you knocked the full sign off.
I didn't tell everyone. I think it was just put on there wrong.
So that's us parked up in the park and ride in Canterbury. Like I said, there's a few motorhomes here at the moment. People are using this when they're going on the tunnel, or maybe using a ferry. But we've got friends that have parked up here as well.
Hello.
Hello.
And beautiful weather, and they've got a jumper on.
Oh, look. It's bloody freezing.
It's freezing here, isn't it?
Freezing here,
I'll
yeah.
admit it is a bit chilly today.
It's colder for us because we've just come from warmer climates in the south of Spain.
Yeah, we're saying that last night was a bit chilly, wasn't it? It was about 7 degrees outside at night.
Yeah, but it's quite nice here actually. It's quite fresh, isn't it, and sunny. It's just a bit a bit cooler for us. So yeah,
the sun's out.
we're just gonna hang around here for today and tonight. We're gonna pop into Canterbury in a bit and get some bits.
See what that's
And
about.
then
I've got
chill
my
out.
free bus ticket.
We've got a free bus
So,
ticket.
Free bus tickets here, £4. That's all right, isn't it?
And what does that entitle you to?
Driver and 6 passengers, it says.
Oh, that's
And
cool.
obviously staying here for the night.
So just got off the bus here, just outside H&M, and this is where you get back on as well.
Yes.
Yeah, this is where you get back on as well. Free bus ride. Churros. Is it churros or churros?
I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it.
Because I know you.
Nice.
Yeah.
We've tried them.
Very nice.
It's very busy here. It's a Sunday as well. So
We're not used to it, are we, being this busy?
I'm not
Back in the UK?
with people that can speak our language.
Yes.
Got a bit of a market going on down here. Look at these are brilliant.
There's even one playing the guitar on his sun lounger, look.
Couple of swingers. Hiya, the Great British Cheese Company. I've seen them before.
That's what you like, fudge.
Oh,
Yeah,
I got some
yeah.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Ignoring on it.
Do you say this is on all the time, or is it just?
Apparently it's every weekend. Yeah, for both days.
Yeah. Wow. So they've got this on every weekend.
Yeah, it's amazing. All the amount of different foods and things from around. Look, Taste of Spain. Look, it's bringing you back.
Taste of Spain. Oh, this place is really nice.
Tell you what though, for
It's like good service in there. So there's these macaroons. They look really good. Look nice.
you want one?
I'm alright for now, but I'm saying they look nice. Yeah, if you want to get some, get some. I'm alright for now though, unless you want
Yeah.
Old English fudge. Lots in there. Oh look, you've got Turkish delight and stuff. got an Aussie Outback grill.
You've got every stand.
It's pretty cool.
It's like we're still out there.
Where?
It's like we're still in Spain.
Yeah. They are quite.
They're lovely.
aren't
They're quite heavy as well.
Yeah. It's what the symbolises as well, isn't it?
Just see through there, Canterbury Cathedral. And all these thin buildings. So apparently you can't get in the grounds of the cathedral unless you pay. So actually, how much is it to get into the cathedral?
£17 for an adult.
For one.
For one adult, yeah. Wow.
So seven.
It's quite pricey, but it's worth it.
Really?
Yeah.
So £17 just for one adult to get into the grounds of the cathedral and in the cathedral itself. But yeah, from the outside, I'll show you when we get closer. But from the outside, it looks lovely. We're in the centre now.
Off he goes.
We've got this. It's all these quirky buildings up here. And another memorial for looking at it for everyone that served and fell, that lived in the Canterbury area. I'll show you the front. Very colourful.
Wow.
I was just saying how colourful it is, because usually it, they don't add the colour to it, do they?
Yeah, it really stands out.
But there's a lot of colour. Yeah, we're going to go through it. So loads of scaffolding up there. It's looking lovely. So what's the all the scaffolding about? Is that just refurbishments?
Yeah,
and
they're
that?
restoring. Yeah. You see that
okay.
new stone up
Yeah.
there? It's full restoration.
Or is it all new stone? Is it just all cleaned and
No, it's brand new.
brand new? Wow. So there you go. So it's all brand new stone and that up there. I take it they're going around the whole cathedral, are they, or
No, it's just this side for
just
now.
this side for now? Lovely. But looks stunning, that's for sure. Hello, mate. Is this your mucker? Oh, hang on. That looked very professional then.
I looked a bit of an idiot.
I missed that. I was looking the other way.
Done it. We've retreated for at least one drink in Wetherspoons, and that's the girls' idea.
Yes, not our
It
idea.
weren't our idea at all. Not at all.
Just off there, we've returned from Canterbury city centre. Now back at the park and ride. Heading off back to the motorhomes.
It is.
We've got some alcohol.
Treats.
I sat on that toilet. Cleaning yours.
Well, that's us. He's just finishing with the house then.
Just on the cassette. Yeah, lovely stay here actually. It's quite peaceful at night, which is good. But yeah, great. Just a bit cold, and I've got a t-shirt on.
Yeah, we had to have the heating on again last night, didn't we?
Yeah.
That's good.
I think I had the heating on a bit too much though, because now
Yeah.
I'm freezing.
But you've got waste facilities here, haven't you?
Yeah.
And Eltham.
I'm going to do that before we leave actually. Well, I've
Yeah.
done the
Yeah.
Elson, but drain the waste, drain the fresh even, because we're going back to storage for a bit.
And as you saw yesterday, we got the bus into Canterbury, had a little look round there. So it's a nice little stopover, isn't it?
Definitely recommended, so I think it works out £4 from 12 to 12, so £8 for a night stop, so it's cheap, got all your facilities and ready for the move to Europe or back again.
Yeah.
So,
And we stopped
good.
here as well because we wanted to catch up with some friends before they go off to Europe and we go off back home, which I wish that we were going with them. But
Yeah, so do I. No, I definitely.
but yeah. So thanks very much, guys. Cheers. That's
See you later.
Steve and Catherine from Fieldview. Great great hosts.
Well, of course, like anything, I nearly forgot that to leave this Air car park, Canterbury Air, I've got to pay. So, just off to the machine now. And it's over at this building, basically where the buses stop. And I believe I scan my ticket, if I can find it in my wallet, and pay the money and get out of here. Still got to do the water and get all the wastewater out first. Let's have a look at this then. Okay, right. As easy as that. I believed I've paid. And I have made sure I printed off a receipt. So that's that, all paid for. Now it's just a case of emptying the wastewater and then getting out of here.
He's just going to jump out and do the waste. Not drinking water. Do you want me to keep an eye on that while you're dropping the waste, or do you want me to do anything?
No, pretty much it. We're dropping both grey waste and fresh waste. It's getting cold now. There we go. Empty the boiler.
Just wants me to do the button on the but they both say 0. And I guess there's still some coming out, so that's one in, so now it's gone to 25. Yeah, that's strange. We're having a bit of trouble with these because they're not reading right all the time. Apparently it's dirty sensors or something. But as you can see, we've got empty fresh, empty waste. That was 0 a minute ago and it's gone up to 25. So somehow it ended up with more water in. But it's just the sensors.
Coming back from Europe as well, this is, only half hour down the road from the tunnel, about the same probably from the ferry. So if you're looking at somewhere that's convenient to dump all your grey waste, do your toilet, etc., then obviously you've got this Canterbury Air down the road. For us, it makes life a lot easier than me having to do it all at the storage and stuff like that, because the facilities ain't really there. So I can get it done here, and then the motorhome's winterised for the next week until we're off again.
Yeah, make sure you follow the rules. Please be considerate to other users and clean the grate after use. I take it that's what that hose pipe is for over there.
Locked up. Hopefully.
So Lee paid earlier, as you will have seen, so we should be able to just... You got the ticket, or does it just recognise you?
Recognise your number plate, I believe.
Yep, there we go. That's us now for this vlog. We've done our Europe trip. We're on our way back home. We will be going to the NEC on Friday, but you probably will have seen that video already by now.
Yeah.
Because we're way ahead with our Europe trips and want to get the NEC one out on time. And then the next trip that you'll see after this is Scotland. We're going to Gretna on a Motorhome Happiness rally.
On one of the rallies, yeah.
Yeah, and we're meeting up with Colin to have a look at his brand new van, which we haven't seen yet because we got that when we was in Europe.
That's right. That's
So
right.
we're excited to see
for
it.
Colin.
Yeah. So we will catch up with you on the next one in Scotland.
Yeah, and as always, thank you for everyone that's been supporting and subscribing to the channel. It is very much appreciated from us both. And, well, we'll catch you on the next one. So, bye.
See ya!